Good day, everyone. My name is Aliya Silmi. I'm currently a final year business student at the School of Business and Management, Bandung Institute of Technology, Indonesia. I am so honored to become an eminent person of this conference. So maybe just a little background of my research. I just finished my research related to the influence of sales promotion toward customer purchase decision and loyalty in online food delivery service industry. Also, the promotion itself was specified into three categories, which are the discount, cashback, delivery fee voucher. So basically, my research assessed the influence of discount, delivery fee, and cashback toward customer loyalty in online food delivery service industry. Okay, this is quite interesting because there are some differences between the condition of before and after the COVID in contents of the promotion of online food delivery service. The promotion was previously bigger, but then when the pandemic happened and OFD service companies in Indonesia were trying to survive by making some budget efficiency plan. One of the way to reduce the operational costs, which include sales promotion. Therefore, all of the discount, cashback, and delivery fee voucher given by the OFD company, the value becomes smaller as they have all the plan to save their company. So I was curious to find out whether or not sales promotion impacted customer behavior and loyalty after the adjustment value of the sales promotion itself in before the COVID and then after the COVID-19. I believe that an online conference is really convenient for me. I can just do it anywhere I want. I don't need to travel to the venue. If I need to attend on offline conference in some other countries, I have to stay at least for 2 or 3 days. But then if I choose an online conference, I can remove the cost of airfare, the cost of hotel, Airbnb, food, and some other costs. So it's a lot more efficient and effective, I believe. Yes, of course. I can always recommend my friends or colleagues to attend an online conference. In fact, I was the one who suggested some of my friends coming from my university to attend this specific conference as it is convenient, effective, and efficient. So, yeah, definitely yes. I can always suggest my peers, my friends, my colleague to attend an online conference. I see. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Charles and everyone involved in the organizing this conference. I am so honored to become the eminent person. This conference was arranged greatly, I believe. I found some issue when I was when I was submitting my paper to this conference. Then I talked to Dr. Charles through the email for several times and asked for confirmation, asked for help. So she helped me a lot during the throughout the process. So thank you so much for everything in this conference. I believe I can always recommend everyone to join this conference in any time. That's all
Okay.
from me.